Let me tell you something, eh? You might not know this, but let me tell you now. There are some secrets you know about this business. Once you know those particular secrets, you see a reason why these other bigger photographers are not bothered. You are shooting every single day of your life. Some of you are shooting 10 to 20 pictures every day. Some of you are shooting less, but you're still not making enough money. But Amazing Clef will shoot one picture for a week and earn more than you have worked for a month. Praise and every other person's. Praise Amazing Clef, Felix Crown, Big H, the rest of them. You understand the set of person I'm talking about. There are some secrets that they know in the business that has made them the way it is. For you to know some of these secrets, you really need to start investing in classes. When you see classes on business of photography, when you see classes about photography, do well to not be feeling like you know too much so you don't want to register. If you want to know my secrets, you need to register my class. If you want to know the secret of how Amazing Clef does well in his business, you have to attend Amazing Clef's classes. Because that is how you know what we have. So don't allow your friend to make you feel like say you don't know too much so you know if you learn again. Because if you think you know too much, that point that you are is where you'll be while others are growing better than you. The more you learn, the more you get better. There's nobody in this life that will tell me that he has learned to the point where he's satisfied. If you are satisfied, my brother, that's the beginning of your downfall. So do well to pick for classes, do well to patronize this. Your big photographers, support them and the rest, because there are some secrets that they know that you don't know. May no be I not tell you.
Now why will they call am goat? Now why if they always turn up, he go turn up.